The Dollar Tree has items that you can create a mini Christmas village. Let me take you through all the things they have. They have a set of 3 bottle brush trees, some very large trees with a star that lights up, and these packages of different colored trees with peppermint candies at the bottom. So cute. And they have this decorative little village fence. So that's adorable. Then they also have packs of 3 mini accessories. And here we have 2 lampposts and a man in a carriage. Then we've got 2 people on skis and a campfire. 2 people out shopping and a tree with, I think, a mailbox. And another set with 2 lampposts and a person on a bench. A snowman, a Santa, and a kid rolling a snowball. 2 carolers and a tree. A person with a tree, 1 shopping, and a tree with a Christmas sign. Then we've got a person shopping, a chef, and a sign. Weird. And then we've got a dog walker, a person shopping, and a sign, but then the same one with a different color dog. And then we've got the village houses, and this is a cobblestone bed and breakfast. And every single one of the houses does light up with batteries. And they do have a pretty good detail. But just to warn you, it is a very light plastic, but very cute. So here we have a Christmas tree farm, and I think this one is my favorite of all the houses. Just a lot of cute details, a lot of little windows to light up. Then we've got this cobblestone sweets and treats. This would look cute, I think, in some sort of little candy type of setting. Then we've got a church. And this is kind of a nice one. It's got actually 2 doors, a back and a front door. So that's interesting. And then we've got this ski lodge. And I think this one's pretty cute too. A lot of little details and skis and, you know, it's a little log cabin look. It's cute. And then we've got this large house, kind of a fancy house with a top tier balcony in the front and the back. So that's a nice one. Then we've got this sweet, adorable RV camper. And this is actually the back, and then look at the front. It's so cute. Now, wouldn't it be cute to have a whole village of all different little RV campers in all different colors? I think that would be kind of a cute idea. And then we've got this truck with a tree in the back. That would go really cute with that little RV camper. So that's the collection that they have at my Dollar Tree, and I'll show you what I got. So here is my haul. I found these bottle brush trees, which I really liked. And then this one was so beautiful and it lights up. And I wish they had 3, but those were the last 2. And then I got a selection of houses because if you've seen some videos, people actually redecorate these by painting them. And I want to add them to my gingerbread village. So I'm going to give that a try. This is some glitter, paint, and then some accessories that I plan on adding to the houses. Some mini bottle brush trees, some lamp posts is what I want to use in this one, and then some little gingerbread men, which I might be attaching to the houses. I'm not sure yet, but I thought those would be cute. And then just a few of the pink trees, which maybe I should have gotten the red trees, but anyway, that's my haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.